If you have this yellow or orange screen issue on Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all we need to open the settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit and then go to display settings. Over here in the display settings we can find eye comfort shield option, which we can just easily disable by tapping on the switcher, or you can tap on the option itself in order to adjust the color temperature, or in case you use adaptive, then well, you just can disable this option. If you use custom, however, you can also use a schedule, so if you still want to use the eye comfort shield, but only at a specific time, then of course you can choose it over here. And that is pretty much it. Of course, besides that, there's also the screen mode, which also may cause the screen look a little bit yellowish due to the white balance being set to warm, so you might want to put it into the middle over here on this slider. And in the case of advanced settings, of course, you want to make sure that everything is on the right side in here. So that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.